fresh air goes brown.
Yeah, it's gonna take a minute, so it's just...
Hello, it's Bekah. Welcome to the Carriage House, a little place to find comfort and cozy inspiration for your hearth and home. It's an early spring afternoon here at our little farmhouse on the northern plains of Iowa. I just got back in from town. We're supposed to be getting some really bad storms this evening, so I'm sending prayers your way if you happen to live nearby. And just wanting to set a calm and cozy tone here in our home. I'm making a warm cup of tea for my daughter and me, and I'll be making lots of fresh spring-inspired recipes. So I hope you're doing well, and I'm really glad you stopped by for a visit here at our home, the Carriage House. One of my favorite things to make in the springtime are these savory radish and dill tea sandwiches. Washing, cutting, and simply inhaling the earthy scent of fresh radishes instantly reminds me of an early spring day in the garden. And I will leave all these recipes that I'm making down below, by the way. So I'm going to take a little bit of time to prepare and be present here in the moment while I make these cute and delectable tea sandwiches. So now on to making a classic southern hummingbird cake. It's so delicious. It's filled with sweet pineapple, bananas, toasted pecans, along with a decadent cream cheese frosting. And I've been making this cake for years, and it's always a happy time of year to make this. But I do want to share something with you. I've noticed when I'm feeling a little anxious or uneasy, kind of how I'm feeling right now. I'm wondering how strong these storms tonight may be. If I light a candle and either relax and read something inspirational, or just staying busy in an unhurried way, it can really help tend to anxious feelings and keep the heart and mind calm and at peace. that the cakes are in the oven, I'm gonna start preparing dinner. The storm will be here soon, so I want to make sure all the little bellies in this home are full and nourished. Tonight I'm making a warm and delicious chicken and orzo soup with fresh asparagus and dill. I always love to cook with what's in season, so right now, for us at least, there's spring onions, peas, asparagus, morels, radishes. It's good to take advantage of everything the earth has to offer this time of year. So gonna wash, clean, and chop the vegetables for the soup, get that going, and then we'll check on the cake.
They're good, aren't they? You like